What's up, YouTube cleaners? So today, first appointment for the day is a vacation rental. It's a repeat customer, a client. She's been using me for her vacation rentals lately. Well, this is the second time. She liked my work the first time. So what it is let me flip the camera around. It's a living room, which I count as 2 areas. You know, normal everyday soiling. Don't see any specialties, stains or anything like that. What I call specialty stuff that you have to take out the special cleaners with or steam. I gotta get all these little rugs and stuff up. So, master bedroom. I'm counting this as 1 because there's not really much space here, and plus she's a good customer. I gotta do these 3 area rugs here. She said there was only 2, so I texted her. I let her know there's 3, so I'm gonna add a little more money to it. Room here. Okay, we do got a little color there. I would guarantee that's wine or something, okay? So I'll hit that with the 20 volume peroxide and disappear like a magician. Yeah, so, you know, this isn't one of those amazing results videos, but it shows my process, right? This is the one right here I'm gonna have to break out the CRB with. I'm going to go through there with the counter-rotating brushes and do a good pre-scrub because this is the most soiled room. So, alright, stay tuned. I'm going to get started. So I did put down my floor coverings over this floor here because I don't want to be dragging the moisture up and down this tile, getting the grout wet and dirty, and yeah, it's protecting the floor. Plus, if the customer shows up, it's going to go a long way, ensuring that I am protecting the house. Corner guards, of course. Now, if you're doing low moisture, you probably don't need corner guards, but definitely for steam cleaning or hot water extraction. All right, so I'm gonna pre-spray everything. I got my hydro force here, and be careful around everything. You know, I'm not gonna be moving furniture. I'm going around everything, because if I was to move all this furniture, I'd have to put things all plastic underneath all the legs and everything. So what I do is I just strategically, you know, get close all the way around it, so there's no moisture underneath the legs. And it's always a policy that I don't move large or valuable furniture, so customers are going to have to do that. Alright, so I'm going to start spraying. Okay, so I did notice as I was doing pre-spray, see those light areas all over the place in this room? Entryway, it's all over the place. So I gave the customer a call before I even started the job, just to let them know, because I don't want them to think that I did that, right? She was aware of it. She don't know what it was, and I told her it's probably somebody spilled stuff, pet problem or something, and they were using the wrong product, and it was probably something they got underneath the sink, right? So they spilled something. They said, "Oh dang, we need to clean it up." They go underneath the sink, which a lot of people do, and they pull a product out, and this guaranteed has bleach in it. So if it wasn't this, it was something else, right? And you don't see it right away, but as it dries, it lightens everything up. So I did tell the customer, go ahead and take any bleach products out from underneath the sink. That way customers can't get their hands on it. All right, well, I'm going to continue. Like I said, I just wanted to touch base before I got going on this, because you got to protect yourself in this business, right? If they don't remember something, they're going to put it on you. And that can cost a lot of money. You know, I did have that recently happen. I went to a house, did some carpets and some tile. And I did a quick walkthrough. Noticed things that looked like normal organic kind of stains, but I didn't notice anything big, right? Because everything kind of blended in. So when I was done with carpets, I noticed there was a dark spot that didn't want to come up. And so I treated it with everything I had. So I called the customer over and said, yeah, so this spot right here, I don't know what it was, and I treated it with everything I had. You know, it's pretty much permanent. You know, and she said, well, that wasn't there before you started. And I'm like, serious? So I was second guessing myself even. But I do these videos, right, on my process, and I went back, thought about it later that evening, went back and looked at the video, and sure enough, when I was doing the walkthrough, I hadn't even started cleaning the carpet yet. There, right where the spot is, was that same spot. So yes, the husband didn't remember the spot either. So I came to the conclusion that the spot was just blending in with all the other little stuff, or maybe they had a piece of furniture over it or something they didn't notice. Yeah, so make sure you document things, take pictures, hey, and even video. So as I went through, I kind of noticed a little discolorization. Looks like red wine. And this other stuff could be white wine. I live in a big wine area, right? Many wine tasting places around here. Wineries and all that stuff. And this is a vacation rental, so a lot of people come here for the wine. So doing a little detectiving, right? Just kind of figure out what it could be. Odds are it isn't little kid kind of stuff, Kool-Aids and all that. If it's red, it's probably wine. So you use your organic spot removal products. So whatever it is you use for organic stains, use that. In this case, I'm using 20 volume peroxide, which I have replaced my stain one with. Okay, I know there was another spot here. There we go. Now, by the time I'm done cleaning here, it should be gone. If not, I'll do a post spray on it, and it'll lighten up and disappear over time. Okay. Tell they have some pets in here sometimes. They must have a pet deposit. Just pulling up some hair. So in case this is the first time watching my video, I use this machine a lot. It's a Powerflight Multi-Wash 14. I also bought the extensions for the brushes for the end. Yeah, it puts about 3 more inches on there. And it's really good for under counters and stuff, or pre-scrubbing tile and grout and this and that. And recently I found it's a great thing for your vent lines, right, against the wall. Yeah, there. It gets really close, right? So I don't have to charge an extra fees. What I do is just kind of, if it's bad, I go around, make sure I go around it with that end. But if it's super bad, yes, I do charge extra fees. If it doesn't come up with this, it's like with my specialty stain removal, like coffee, urine, blood, all that stuff. I do that as no extra charge. It's included. It's 20 volume peroxide for all the organic stuff. And I have stain 1, and I just kind of post spray it. I let the customer know that it should disappear over time, the next 24 hours, 48 hours. If it doesn't, then I'm gonna have to come back and do some specialty stain removal, like for synthetic stains. It's a good thing to steam out the stains. Okay, that gets rid of it immediately. Well, it takes about, I don't know, a couple minutes to do, but it takes more time to warm up the steamer. It doesn't get rid of the spot. So my point is that I include all stain removal and everything in my carpet cleaning, but never guarantee anything, right? But if it's going to be a process where I need to shut everything down and work on it, then that's when my $40 an area or spot kicks in. Okay, so pre-scrubbed everything. I'm not going to have to do the other 2 rooms. They're not that bad. My normal pre-spray will take care of it. No problem. finished up. I'm trying not to walk over my nice clean rugs. Everything came out. A little red spot, those two little red spots, they're gone. I did notice that there was a stain right here, and I believe it's actual stain, organic. So I did a post spray on that. So hopefully that disappears. This room looks fantastic. Turn off the lights as I'm walking out. So these are synthetic rugs, so not natural fiber. So I used carpet detail on that. I used carpet detail on everything else. So this room looks great. The other room is the worst of it is all those bleach spots, and they need to replace that room. And right there in the entryway. But other than that, the rest of the house is in good shape. Sure, they're going to be happy. So, like always, go ahead and like it if you like the video. Subscribe if you like the video, because I got a lot more of these already made and more to come. And comment. Thanks for watching. I'm going to go through here and wipe up all my little water, my little mop, and get this place looking good, like the way I showed up, except for the carpets. The carpets look even better. How's that? All right, see you in the next video.